This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring prerequisites, Python 3. 11 plus on your machine and Vscode installed. Once done, add Python to path so the terminal finds it. Next, open your project folder in Vscode and install the official Python extension. This provides linting, formatting, and IntelliSense. Make sure to open the integrated terminal and run Python version to confirm. These steps give you the environment and editor features required to write, run, and debug code efficiently. Now configure the interpreter and developer tools. You pick the interpreter from the status bar or use command palette to select the Venv interpreter you created. This ensures dependencies are isolated per project. Once you activate the virtual environment, upgrade pip and install Black, Flake 8, and Pytus so formatting, linting, and testing behave consistently. Also configure Vscode settings for format on save, and the linting provider so your editor enforces standards. Finish by running and debugging your script to confirm everything works. You create app, py and press run or use Python app, py in the integrated terminal. This verifies runtime behavior. For breakpoints, add a launch. JSON through run and debug so you can step through code and inspect variables. If something goes wrong, check that the terminal shows the virtual env, the selected interpreter matches. Venv and path includes your Python install. This one troubleshooting tip resolves most common setup issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.